So what's up everyone? Thanks again for tuning in on the Wheeler Detailers YouTube channel. In the last video we wanted to present our new colleague Megan. So she's now making the videos, editing the videos, cutting the videos, but for some reason my microphone didn't work. So we made like a quiet video. Also a very nice video, an interesting video on how to fix rear bumpers, but Megan wasn't in the video. But Megan, in this video, do you want to be in the video so people can see your face?
Hi.
So this is Megan, new colleague, came from a long way, but she's in Holland now for 5 years and found her roots in South Africa. Yeah, now she joined our team, so we wanted to improve on our videos with her skills and make content for all of you guys and girls better. Orange Eco waterless wash. There's a lot of discussion always on social media on how does a waterless wash work, or does it work, or will it make scratches and damage your paint? Yes, if everything goes wrong, it will definitely do that. But you can also try to use it the proper way, and in that way you can safely remove light contamination, road grime and dust. That's what it does. So it's not some kind of wonder product that will do everything for you with just a spray and wipe, but it will definitely remove safely dust, traffic film, road grime, fingerprints and so on. So we detailed this Audi a couple of days ago, and after that, when we're working here, so everybody's busy, and then at night dust falls down on the car again. So this is a perfect example for you, for us to show you on how a waterless wash works. So we see a lot of dust and contamination. We also see actually some sand particles here on this bonnet. So we tape down the bonnet in 2 sections, and one section will leave it like it is, and in the other section we will take away dust, sand particles safely with the Orange Eco waterless wash, together with some long piled microfiber towels. We call them our happy end towels. So we see here a 5 liter can, half a liter bottle and a 1 liter dilution bottle. Orange Eco waterless wash always comes as a concentrate, so you need to dilute the product in this can and in this bottle, and you need to dilute it 1 to 15. So that means that 1 part of product goes with 15 parts, preferably demi water. You can also use tap water if that's clean and filtered in your country or in your area, and then you have it mixed like this. If you can come a little bit closer, these kind of dilution bottles, they come with a diagram from 100 until 900 ml, 1000 ml if you fill it up to the top, 1 liter. To fill up this bottle, we only used 50 ml of Orange Eco concentrate, and then filled it up with slowly running tap water until it's 750 ml of product. So next to that, you can use diluted Orange Eco waterless wash perfectly as an all-round quick detail spray. You know, it takes away fingerprints, dusts. You can also use it as a clay lubricant. I also use it to clean door jambs and to wipe away polishing dust after polishing and paint correction sessions. So it's a very versatile product. You can also prime your polishing pads with it. A must-have for every professional detailer in your arsenal or on your card. So let's go to the car. We spray Orange Eco from our dilution bottles on the surface. Just moisturize it. It doesn't have to be like wet. And the cool thing about these dilution bottles is they also come with this high quality black sprayer, which you can adjust the stream if you want to very hard or very soft misting kind of spray. So if I come a little bit closer, and if I would wipe in one direction, the long piles go open, or in this case half, they close. Open and close. So with that in mind, I need to wipe in one direction to take off all the dust and all the oxidation from the bonnet and close them into the microfiber piles. Now, and of course I need to refold because I cannot repeat with closed in dirt in the microfibers. So I need to swap it from side to side to get a good clean surface. So here we go. Orange Eco is a little bit cured. You can see that dirt is wanting to pick into the emulsion. Not sure if you can catch it on camera, but here we see that very well. Here we see that very well. So it's loosening from the surface and now it's ready to take it off safely. So towel is 40 times 40. I'm gonna fold it 2 times. We also call it a 4-fold. And a 4-fold allows me to have 8 working sides on my towel. Here we go. I work it in this shape. My thumb is here under the edge and I'm gonna glide in one direction. This is what I picked off already. That's quite a lot of dust. Now I'm gonna switch to a clean side and I'm gonna repeat that. Here we go. Clean side, thumb under the towel. Here we go. Let me find the clean side, thumb under the towel. And here we go. So I have 4 sides of my towel already contaminated with all dust and all oxidation and contamination that I picked up from the car. We can see now the surface is hazing a little bit. That means because the Orange Eco Waterless wash is also equipped with some synthetic wax, some polymers. They need to cure a little bit, which we're gonna now polish up until high shine with again a clean side of my towel, or I take a separate towel for this because I only take this to take off oxidation. So we're gonna give it a couple of wipes on the cleaned surface. Here we go. This side is also clean. And with that, you perfectly and safely have cleaned half the bonnet. So all dirt, all contamination is in here. Here we see a lot of sand and oxidation. Here we see it as well. Here we see some contamination. Here's also a little bit. So this towel, next to the 4 clean sections, is more or less ready for the washer. I'm gonna take a clean towel and then just give it this extra wipe, which for me works a little bit more comfortable. So if you have some quick jobs, some small surfaces that you just want to clean, your car has been of course perfectly detailed and you're gonna go on a Sunday morning to a Cars and Coffee event or some other car meet, and you come back from, let's say, half an hour drive and your car is lightly oxidated or contaminated and you want to drive it clean into the garage, just spray it, let it cure, wipe in one direction with a long pile towel and polish up the polymers afterwards. Drive it inside, put the cover on, and your car will be clean and ready to go for the next drive as well. So I hope this video helps you a lot on how to work with Orange Eco Waterless Wash in a safe and proper way. That really helps to improve your detailing process, cleaning process. Or you also discover the other functions like pad priming or removing fingerprints, or use it just as an average quick detailer. Orange Eco has got multiple functions that help you in your workshop with professional car care and detailing. So I hope you like this video. If you didn't do it already, please hit the subscribe button so we really can grow the channel. And I saw the last weeks are going really well. I think we hit like 50-60 subscribers extra in like 2 weeks, so very thankful for that. And also put on the thumbs up button under this video so we really grow into the YouTube algorithm. And that really motivates us and helps us to create more cool content on car care, detailing, car lifestyle for you guys and girls as well. So thanks again for watching this video. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.